Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Chainlink from Exmo to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink link tokens between exchanges for better security, lower fees, or portfolio management, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will make the process simple and stress-free, but remember, crypto transfers involve risks, so always double-check everything. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Gemini. You'll also need some Chainlink tokens in your Exmo wallet and the exact wallet address from Gemini. Oh, and keep an eye on network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Chainlink balance and click on the Withdrawal option. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Select Chainlink as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. That's the one from your Gemini account. Pro tip. Always copy and paste the address to avoid any typos, which could send your tokens into the void forever. Step 3. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network. Chainlink typically uses the Ethereum blockchain, so ensure it's set to ERC20. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm the withdrawal. Once you hit that button, the transfer is initiated. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. While you wait, hop over to Gemini and check your wallet for incoming funds. Finally, once the transfer is complete, verify your Chainlink balance on Gemini. Congrats! You've successfully moved your assets. If you encounter any issues, reach out to the exchange support teams. Remember, staying secure in crypto means using two-factor authentication and never sharing your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.